In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Safari prevent cross-site tracking on the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, you want to go down and tap on Safari. Next, go to the privacy and security section and tap on prevent cross-site tracking. So tap on the switch to turn it off or turn it on. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings. You can swipe up to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.